What I found when I was kind of reaching out to my folks who are either coming to the retreat already or thinking about it, I said, hey, we're going to have this biohacking pop-up. And to my surprise, so many people said, Jen, I had to Google what biohacking was. So Lindsay, can you, now that you're the expert, can you share with us what that means?
So I actually had to Google it too, just about a little over a year ago. I had no idea what that meant. And hacking has such a bad connotation in
Right,
the world right now. Like you don't want to get hacked.
right.
But I
Oh my
guess,
God, my mother just said the same thing to me when I was
right.
trying to explain it.
Yeah, like it sounds terrible to get hacked. You don't want your body to get hacked, but
Right.
I guess the word hack really means to find a way around the real painful, arduous, like time-consuming, costly processes of getting better.
Mm.
And biohacking really just means like hacking your biology. So how
Hmm.
do you use your bio-individual needs to create a plan, whether that's a food plan or a technology plan or an exercise plan or a lifestyle plan, to hack your health so that you can live better longer. And there's so much new stuff in the world around longevity.
Yeah.
Longevity is really the word.
Mm.
Biohacking is just what Dave Asprey named it.
Okay,
It,
he came up with that term. That's interesting. Everyone,
yeah,
Dave Asbury,
Asprey, yeah.
he his brand, well, actually I heard he sold it, was bulletproof. So that's kind of the collagen powder that I use in my shakes every day. But he's out on the all the biohacking stages talking about longevity.
Yeah, he has Danger Coffee now. He has a bunch of new brands, Wasabi Method, which is really cool. Everybody should check that out. And then he has Upgrade Labs, which is like a wellness center franchise all around the country.